Hi, my name is Harshana. I come up with simple and easy to understand videos on various concepts in psychology. The topic that we will be covering today would be job evaluation. So, what is job evaluation? Job evaluation is a technique used to determine the salary levels of jobs. Salary is a compensation that an employee receives for investing his time, energy, skills towards the organization's growth. Salary is one of the hygiene factors for an employee to feel motivated while working in an organization. Salary is one of the most important factors that drives an individual to perform well. Thus, it is extremely important that an employee is compensated well for his contribution towards the organization. There are various methods that one could use to do job evaluation. One of the method that we will be discussing today is the point method. Point method helps in determining a job's worth basis the following four factors, namely the consequences of errors on the job, education required, responsibility, and skills required. A rating is given for each of the job role basis the four factors. Thus, higher the compensable factor for a particular job role, higher will be the salary for that job role. We will understand this further using an example. Here there are three job roles within the HR department that we will be considering. One is the HR intern. Second is the HR executive. And the third is the HR manager. We shall understand the compensable factor for each of these roles. For an HR intern, the consequences of any error or mistake is going to be comparatively lesser. Thus, an HR intern will get the lowest score in this dimension. Similarly, when we talk about the remaining three factors, the HR intern will score the lowest, followed by the senior executive and then the HR manager, who will score the maximum. Now we shall be plotting the total of all the four compensable factors for each of the three job roles. As you can see, the x-axis consists of the three roles that we had considered, the HR intern, the HR senior executive and the HR manager. And the y-axis consists of the salary. As you can see, the salary received by an HR intern would be the lowest, followed by the salary received by an HR senior executive, and the salary received by the HR manager would be the highest. Thus, I hope you have had a very clear understanding about how job evaluation could be done using point method. For more such interesting and simple to understand videos on various concepts in psychology, do subscribe to my channel #PsychBite. Thank you.